Hello. Today we'll be performing the Worth 4-dot test. This is a test of the patient's binocularity. So first, I'll have the patient put on some red-green glasses. These glasses will dissociate between their two eyes to observe if the patient is suppressing, or if they're diplopic, or if they have normal fusion. So first we'll do the test at near, 40 centimeters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put up my target and I'm going to ask Daniel what he sees. So Daniel, looking at those lights, how many lights do you see?
I see 4 lights.
Good. And how many of the red lights do you see?
1 red, 2 green, and 1 that's kind of going back and forth.
Very good. So now, Daniel, what I'm going to have you do is go ahead and close your left eye for me. And what do you see now?
2 red lights.
So if Daniel was suppressing his left eye, he would see 2 red lights. Go ahead and switch eyes and close your right eye now. Now what do you see?
3 green lights.
So if Daniel was suppressing his right eye, he would see 3 green lights. Now, Daniel, cross your eyes. Now what do you see?
I see 2 red lights on one side, 3 green lights on the other side.
Very good. So if Daniel was diplopic, he would see 2 red lights on one side and 3 green lights on the other. Now we'll perform this test again at distance. What do you see now, Daniel?
I see 4 lights. 1 is red, 2 are green, 1 is going back and forth.
Very good. So we have determined that Daniel has normal binocular vision and is able to fuse at both distance and near.
Oh, hello again. I bet you were wondering about the scientific principles behind the Worth 4-dot. Well, let me explain a thing or two. So, in the Worth 4-dot, you're going to put the red lens over the right eye, and the green lens over the left side. See, you have the green on the right and left, and the red on top, and the white on the bottom. The green lens would cancel out the red light, and then you would see the 2 green lights and the bottom white one. And the red lens would cancel out the 2 green lights, so you would see the bottom light and the top light. If a person were under diplopic conditions, then this person, you would be able to tell if they had crossed or uncrossed diplopia based on whether the lights were on the right or the left side. So if the red lights were on the right side and the green lights were on the left side, the person would have uncrossed diplopia, which means they're an esotrope. And the opposite would mean that they have crossed diplopia, meaning they are an exotrope. Thank you.